Hey, it's William Devereaux from Pocketables, and I'm going to unbox the Samsung ATIV tablet. So let's open this up. This was sent to me from Intel as part of the Tablet Crew program. I'm going to be reviewing this device and writing about my experiences with it. Here we have the Samsung ATIV Smart PC. It's a tablet which should include a special pen, which will be nice. Bring it up, breaking the seal. Here we go. So, as you can see inside, we have a big tablet. It's a little bit bigger than the other Windows 8 tablets I've been using. I believe it has a 12-inch screen as opposed to a 10-inch one. That'll be nice. It's got a nice finish. Of course, it comes encased in the plastic, like all tablets. Inside the box, a smaller box with the power cable, the user guide. So this one has a little power brick and a more traditional PC-like cable. It's got a user guide, an essential guide, and of course the tablet itself. So it doesn't look like this device comes with a pen unless it's built into one of the sides, but you can purchase one if you want to do that. Look for my first impressions of the... Oh, here we go. The pen's right here. Look for my first impressions of the Samsung ATIV Smart PC on Pocketables in the near future.